Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Meta Ads Conversion API for stronger affiliate attribution. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Meta Ads Conversion API for stronger affiliate attribution, start by accessing the Meta for Developers website. Log in to your developer account or create one if you haven't yet. Once logged in, navigate to the My Apps section. Create a new app by clicking on the Create App button. Select Business as the app type to access the Conversion API features. Fill in the required fields, including the app name and contact email. After creating the app, go to the Settings section on the left menu. Scroll down to the Add a Product section and select the Conversions API. Follow the setup instructions to enable the API for your app. Next, generate a token to securely access the API. Locate the Access Tokens section and click on Generate Access Token. Copy the token and store it securely, as you'll need it for your. Now, integrate the API with your backend system. Use a programming language of your choice, like Python or Node.js, to set up the integration. Refer to the Meta Ads API documentation for coding guidelines and endpoints. To send conversion events, structure your API calls according to the required JSON format. Include relevant information such as event names, parameters, and user information for accurate tracking. Test the integration in a staging environment before moving to production. Use the Graph API Explorer to validate that your events are being sent correctly. Once you confirm the integration works, deploy it to your live environment. Monitor the API performance regularly to ensure accurate tracking and reporting. Adapt your configurations as needed to optimize your affiliate attribution strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.